the ceiling like so.
She was.
Yeah, she looked.
Hey, look at mommy. I just made it darker on her. Look, what is that?
What's going on, B? Look.
What is this? What is that?
Look, girls.
What is that? A cheese. All right.
Okay, let's
We need to shut this door.
Yeah, it's getting cold. Come on.
You can look.
Sorry, mommy can shut it.